Hi, this is Rajeev Kanth here. I live in Finland. I'm going to teach you a course named as Internet of Things and Digital Health Ecosystem at OTH Regensburg during this spring 2019. So as you see in the slides, you can find my contact details, and I will be happy to answer any of your queries regarding this course. As you can see here, you can also call me on Skype and send me messages on LinkedIn and ResearchGate online portal. So before I begin to brief the course details, I will introduce myself. As you see here, I live in central Finland and the place name is Kuopio. I am a senior lecturer at Savonia University of Applied Sciences. As per my education and work experience, I received Doctoral of Science in Information and Communication Technology from University of Turku, Finland, in 2013, and did my postdoctorate from Royal Institute of Technology, KTH, Sweden. I worked as a senior researcher and lecturer at University of Turku till July 2018, and also worked as a senior research scholar at Indian Space Research Organization, India. I am a recipient of a certification from Stanford Center for Professional Development, Stanford University, for the course Introduction to Internet of Things. So far, over 45 peer-reviewed scientific publications in referred journals and conference proceedings in the field of computer science and communication technologies have been published. So far I have 19 years of teaching and research experiences. So these slides I will be discussing about what are the course objectives and course contents basically. So during this course, students will acquire a knowledge of the ecosystems of the Internet of Things and learn how IoT will dramatically transform manufacturing, health, energy, agriculture, transportation, and other industrial sectors of the economy using novel interactions between humans and machines, and of course machines to machines also. So there are 9 modules in this course. Each module's learning outcomes and brief introductions are discussed in the following slides. So this is the first module. So in this module you will learn and understand the several terminologies of Internet of Things. We will look at what is IoT and why this is important for future. We will also see the trends and major technology cycles, why IoT will be the next thing. So this is the question, and we will answer these questions in this module. So this is module 2, and in this module the module name is Cool Applications of IoT. This module basically introduces several applications domain related to Internet of Things. We will discuss how smart waste management system, smart street lights, smart street parking, and connected vehicle works. What communication protocols and architectures are being utilized in these applications. Beside these applications, we will also explore a bit on IoT in agriculture, IoT in healthcare, and smart manufacturing. So this is module 3, and the name of this module is Embedded Systems and IoT. In this module, we learn what an embedded system is in terms of its interfaces, enumerate and describe the components of embedded system. We will look at also the interactions of embedded systems with the physical world, and lastly we will discuss analog to digital conversion techniques. So in as the part of components of embedded systems, we will look at sensors, microcontrollers, intellectual property core, FPGA, that is a field programmable gate array, and actuators. The next module is dedicated to Arduino microcontroller. So our demonstration will be carried out for understanding basic input and output and the microcontroller architecture. We will also discuss sensors and actuators phenomena in this module. The next module is module 5. The name of this module is Interfaces, Basic IoT Design Equipment, Hardware and Software. And in this module, we will be discussing basic IoT design equipment, datasets, hardware and software for IoTs. In next module, we have the software development cycle and approaches. We will discuss software development cycle and approaches and try to understand several software development models. We will discuss also agile software development approaches, why we use agile, what are the benefits and challenges of agile software development will also be discussed in this module. So this is module 7. The name is Realization of IoT Ecosystem Using Wireless Technologies. So as we know, wireless communication technologies have been playing a very crucial role in the realization of IoT ecosystem. We will take a look on machine-to-machine services, protocols and technologies for connected devices. Low power WAN, we also call it LP WAN, is becoming very popular in IoT device, will be discussed in this module. And lastly, SDN, we call it software defined networking, and NFV, network function virtualization, will be discussed in this module. So the module 8 discusses IoT for healthcare, and we'll look at a vision of IoT healthcare, some background and IoT healthcare trends. I will keep some scientific papers related to IoT healthcare before I arrive to Regensburg, Germany, and these documents are as the self-study materials. Please study these scientific papers. And the last module for this course is Internet of Things for manufacturing, industrial, or we can say industrial Internet of Things. And this is the last module. And in this module, we're gonna learn concepts of industrial IoT, how industrial IoT works, and we'll understand the manufacturing revolution, particularly from Industry 1.0 to Industry 4.0. So which is the latest technology in manufacturing. So this is the final slide and gives you information about some practical things that you need to know before my arrival, and how the students will be evaluated in this course. So there won't be a final exam in this course. The tentative schedule of my arrival at OTH Regensburg is from June 1 to June 17th, 2019. I will keep some self-study materials on the Moodle. Please keep looking at the Moodle pages where I will update some pre-works and pre-reviewed assignments. From March 15 onwards, you will be enrolled in this course and will be able to access the resources kept on the Moodle pages. In this course, 2 to 3 quizzes will be taken during this course. The information about the quizzes will be kept on the Moodle pages, and one final assessment will be taken after the teaching. So if you have any questions regarding this course, please feel free to write me on rajeev.kanth@saboniapistefi. Thanks and see you at OTH Regensburg.